the dimensions. The electrode goes face down on the second tooling machine called the EDM. Directly underneath is the mold half that's already been partially formed on the first machine. A strong electric current runs through the electrode and penetrates the mold, forming a cavity in the shape of the electrode. After tooling, they drill coolant lines. This is for the cooling fluid they'll use to accelerate the hardening of the molten plastic. Some plastic product parts, like that snowmobile oil gauge we saw earlier, have lettering on them. The factory engraves the letters in reverse inside the mold cavity. After the plastic's injected, the writing comes out frontward and raised. The surface of the mold cavity is pretty rough from all that tooling, so they polish it smooth to ensure a proper casting. Here's what the two halves of a finish mold look like. The pins and bushings fit together to close the mold before injecting the hot liquid plastic. Once the plastic cools and hardens, it's just a matter of extracting the molded plastic part. Here's a different molding method. A two-step process they're using to make these buttons that go on the steering handle of a jet ski.